how to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. So if you want to convert Google Play balance into redeem code, then what you need to do is first you need to launch the Play Store application on your device. Once you do that, make sure that you've logged into your account. On the top right, you will have Profile. Tap on it. Now you will have Settings. Tap on Settings at the bottom of your screen. Now you need to tap on Purchase Verification. Or you can also go with the General option and go with Account and Device Preferences. However, you won't find any options of the payment and subscriptions right here. So you need to find payments and subscriptions. So here you will find payments and subscriptions on your profile. Tap on it. At the very end, you will see redeem code option. Tap on it. As you do that, you'll need to enter a code. This simply shows that you cannot directly convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code. You will have to have a separate redeem code for this purpose. So you won't be able to directly convert your Google Play balance into redeem code, but if you have any redeem codes, you need to just enter the redeem code and then you will be able to redeem it and it will be added to your Play balance. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.